See these bad boys? Volta Supply. Look how fucking clean and dope they look. Better see how well they do against the cold, because it is a little chilly out here. It's about 50 something degrees, I believe. And these dirt bike bars look so amazing. Oh yeah, easy pull. Oh shit, I don't think I'm gonna make it out of my garage. Ugh. Got a 5-point turn. Gotta get used to this clutch. I do already like it though. Oh, and RSC sends stickers with their, what do you call it? Their clutch when you buy it. So, got an RSC like vinyl sticker, put it on the headlight, because they give you a sticker option, but for some reason I thought it was going to be like their little logo on here that was going to be like colored. So I was like, well, I'm getting a black clutch, might as well just get this black because I don't want it to stand out. My dumbass didn't realize they would actually be sending stickers. So let me go close the garage real quick because there is a kitty somewhere. I think it's time for a chain adjustment, yeah. Oh yeah, this feels so much better. Woo! Yeah, it's cold. Well, it's not cold, but it's chilly. I am gonna go to Walmart and pick up some. They're not doing too bad against the cold. They're not great, but they're not good. I mean, they're not great, but they're not bad. But I'm gonna go to Walmart, and I saw this trick online on YouTube. It was I was watching Brian 636, really good stunter. That's the guy I always watch to learn new tricks, or I'll always ask him questions about certain stuff I'm doing right or doing wrong. He's a really great guy. But yeah, he said to wear, when it's cold, wear rubber gloves. So I'm gonna go to Walmart real fast and buy me some of them hoes. And I'm also gonna buy, oh man, having the stock throttle back on is kind of weird. I'm also gonna buy some what do you call it, like little like thermal leggings or whatever, just cause so I can have another layer of you know, clothing on when it's cold. Wheels are still too cold. Oh my god, wheelies on this feel amazing. Wide ass handlebars. Oh, I'm tall as shit, so my arms are really wide, and I put these like kind of straight up, so I'm still pretty lean forward, but the bars are a lot higher than having drag bars way down here, so it feels good though. Yeah, I like this. I miss having my stock throttle back on. The inputs seem a lot smoother again, which I will need a smoother throttle for doing stunts and shit. I haven't ridden in over 2 weeks, I think, something like that. About 2 weeks it's been since I've ridden, so my ass is cold. Yeah, how does this feel doing all this right here? This feels pretty good. It doesn't feel too bad. Leaning back and forth. Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, this is an easy pull. It's still a good workout for your finger though. Don't think it's like boom, you know, instant. So, oh, I don't have my blinkers. I was ready for my blinkers to be right here. I should honestly put that right there, but my handbrake is going to be right here, so whenever it is, I get that. It's nice having this easy pull clutch. I like it. I just need to get a black brake lever. Yeah, this feels amazing. Damn, Walmart is busy right now. I don't know what time it is because my when I took my dash off in the last video, it messed up the time. I need to see if I can reset the time. Let's see, I think this is how you do it. You hold both of them in. Yeah. Let's hold that down again. Go back to 3. Damn, these Volta Supply gloves look fucking amazing. Okay. Damn, I can't get over how good this fucking bike looks. Just with these bars, it feels a lot better too. Oh, I love the way this feels. It's one finger pull clutch. The way these dirt bike bars feel. Holy shit, son, slow down. Fucking awesome, bro. My hand's gonna be over it most of the time. Oh my god, I did that past the cop. Fuck me. Ah! That fucking cop, that state trooper came out of here, Chicken E. I'm getting food. Fucking starving. That's scary. I fucking popped a good ass wheelie by his ass. He must have not been in his car. He wasn't paying attention. Who knows though? Alright, I'll be right back. Kid loves it. I was gonna try to have the kid come over and rev the engine, but his mom was forcing him to get out of the way, so oh well. Oh, I love it. It's great. Fucking dirt bike bars. Best thing I've ever bought for this bike so far. Other than the cage I bought. By the way, I did buy the cage, so I bought it from Full Metal Stunts, and I'm guessing it's gonna take like a good month before I get it, just because he's backed up on so many orders. It's like one guy that does all the work himself, so, which is not bad. I'm not mad about that. And he does a lot of crash cages for the FZ, crash and sub cages for the FZ, the MT. I got him on that new generation, baby. Got to call it the MT. But yeah, he does a lot of cages for that, for this bike, and so when I saw. Man, I just got done eating, sorry. When I saw that, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this one. I'm kind of also having to relearn the clutch up. Oh, shit. No one in front, no one behind. Awesome. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's what I like. See, like if I don't pop it right, it doesn't come up right away. Oh man, it feels so much better having this on. Yeah, it feels a lot better with these bars. 10 out of 10, would recommend. Pro Taper Carmichael's. Oh my god, dude, I'm so cold. I have not ridden in sub 50-degree weather in forever. Yeah. Doing clutch ups is a lot easier with these bars. My brother was also trying to get me to figure out how to make the ignition a button. But I wouldn't know how to do that. Hopefully me and him can figure it out one day. How to do it. Just install like a little button like right here or something. Or like on the side of the bike. Like just a kill switch. What needs to be an ignition like that? I don't know how I would do it. I'll just look it up. It would be a good idea to put it somewhere on the bike. That way it doesn't have to be right here. Rewire the existing wires somewhere else to the bike, like under my seat, like right here or something. That would be good. Once I get my cage and sub cage in, man, I'll be like way more comfortable doing wheelies and shit. I won't be as scared. Woo. That was a good one. Ugh. Yeah, looks good. I like it. I dig it. Dude, no one in this town knows what a sport bike is. Like, everybody I've passed so far has just like broken their neck just to look at this bike. And I mean, I get it. It's a beautiful bike, man, but shit. That was fun to fishtail it. Gonna go home. I just got done here at Craft Vapors. Awesome vape shops owned by awesome guys here in my little town. And I just bought a new coil because I needed to, because the one I'm repping right now is complete shit. Woo! Fishtailed on me, then caught. Yeah, there we go. Now the tire's all good. It's all warmed up. Doing little burnouts and shit. Ugh. They don't want to burn out anymore. Oh yeah. All right. Call it good there.